Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete system storage on your iPhone. If you run out of storage space on your iPhone, it's quick and easy to free up some of that space. So first what you want to do is you want to head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Then we want to scroll down slightly till we see General here, and then we want to tap into that. Then from the General tab, you want to tap into iPhone storage here in the middle. And what this section does is breaks down all the applications on your iPhone and how much space they are taking up. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see ISO and system data, and there's around 8GB on your iPhone that you can't actually get rid of. These have to stay on the device. However, all the other applications above this can be cleared of the space. So what you want to do is click into them and then click on offload application, and this will offload all that data off your iPhone. If we come right back to the top, you can see my photos are taking up 2.15GB of data. If we tap into this, you can see there's no way to offload it. However, it's taking up 2.15, so where is this coming from? And I'll show you now. Let's swipe these settings away and let's head over to the Photos app. As you can see, when I bring up the Photos app, I don't actually have any pictures or videos on my device. So what is taking up all that room? And I'll show you now. What you want to do with the Photos app up, you want to click on the albums here at the bottom. And with the albums up, you want to swipe down, and then you'll see right to the bottom here, recently deleted. So you want to tap into this. You will need to enter your iPhone passcode to enter this folder. So let's enter that here. Now we've entered the folder. At the bottom here, you can see these 22 photos and 60 videos. And underneath it says photos and videos show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, items will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So even though you've deleted the photos, they're still taking up room on your iPhone. So you can come to this folder and you can press on it, and this will bring up this little menu here at the bottom, and you'll have on the left, delete, or you can recover it back to your iPhone. But as we're trying to save space, we'll select delete, and then you can permanently delete it off your iPhone, and this will save you a lot of space that is not actually being used on your iPhone. So that should help you save a lot of space on your iPhone, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.